Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the strawberry cat from Aphmau's Meemeows. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And I'm kind of trying to make this kind of like a jelly bean shape. So I'm going to bring this curve down a little bit more. And then right about here, I'm going to round it off. And let's see, let's go back here, round this part off, and then it's going to just kind of wobble and connect. Oops. So we're just trying to create this little shape right here. Then from there, I'm going to try to do this on the other side. So I'll just come right here as my guide, come over and say about this wide, and we're going to do the same thing. So on this side, I'm just going to go up from this way. So just play around with it, see which way is easier, where to start. Then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, round this part off, then wobble and connect. There. So create these two shapes, and then let's come inside for some detail. So about right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw this really big oval for a highlight right in here, and then right on this side about here I'm going to draw a heart on its side, and then I'll go ahead and shade this in really quick since it's black. Okay, and then from there, let's round this off. I'm going to go ahead and draw some lashes. So about right here, we're going to draw 3. I'm going to put 1, and then another one about here, and then one going the other way, right next to it. There. So same thing on the other side. Now we're going to go the other way with our oval. So about right here, just draw this big oval, and then we're going to have a heart. Once again, laying on its side, and then shade it in. And once again, the lashes, so 1, then another one, and 1 more. There. Okay, and then let's come back in between the mouth and say about right here, I'll give myself a point in the center, and we're going to come down with a curve on both sides to draw the mouth. About right there, and then let's widen up the mouth with this curve at the bottom, and then come here with a curve for the tongue. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the head shape. So I will, let's see here, let's just use this. We're going to come right across about here, not too wide, about right there. Same thing on the other side, about the same amount of distance. And we're going to draw our basic mochi shape. So I'm going to go up, mochi dumpling head. So we'll go up right here. And let's see, about that high. So that's about our center, and we're going to bring down that curve all the way on the other side to here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the bottom. So this is going to be our widest, and then we're going to bring it in. Same thing here. About there, and then I'm going to find my center and say about right here is where I kind of want to end, and connect it. You don't have to put these points if you're drawing small. Just I'm drawing kind of big, so it just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. Okay, there. So I got this big dumpling mochi face, right? Mochi shaped head. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So in this area, I'm going to go ahead about right here. Nice big ears, round off the tip and come down. Then we're going to draw the inside. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And just drag this across or approximately. And in. And then once again, the inside. There. Okay. And then let's draw the strawberry crown. So right in the center, I'm just going to draw it like a stem. Simple little stem right in the center. And then we're going to find our center. So let's say about right here in between the eyes. So I'm going to give myself a point right here. And then from there, we're going to go up with a curve on both sides. About there. And then we're going to come down and go back in. So same thing on this side. There. So the tops of our strawberry. Okay, then I'm going to lightly come back in here and I'm going to draw these like raindrop shapes. And these are going to be like the seeds. And let's see, I think there's 3 here. Kind of like the whiskers. And 3 here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come about right out here. So about here. Let's go ahead and just draw this round body. So I'm bringing down a curve, nice and round. And then let's come back to, let's see here, about right here. Go ahead and draw the front legs. We're going to go up and then kind of like around where the head is. We're going to go ahead and go across. And then in this space, draw the back leg. Kind of angle and connect. There. And then the other hand, so the other front leg, so about right here underneath this eye. And in. And then of course we need to draw a tail, so about right here, just go ahead and pop up a simple tail. And so now for some details here, let's go ahead and break this part up and then this part. And of course, to make it my Draw So Cute strawberry Meemeow, I'm going to put a heart right there. And for the first time, the body is very simple. We're just going to draw a bunch of these like raindrop shapes to make it look like seeds all over. So it's up to you how many you want to put. And so here, just make it nice and random. And one more perhaps. There. Okay, and I'm not going to put any on the hands just to make it a little bit simpler. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of the strawberry Meemeow from Aphmau's Meemeow. I really hope you love how this one turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did help you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.